With our new Vacc-Safe range, we have made monitoring your fridge's temperature history easier and more accurate than ever. With just a simple USB insert and a few beeps, you'll be able to see up to 12 months of your fridge's temperature data. When you plug the USB in, the screen will display on and beep steadily while uploading the data to the USB stick. Keep in mind, the longer it has been since doing this process, the longer the upload process may take. When you hear a long beep and see end on the display, the upload is complete, and it's safe to remove the USB. Keep in mind that unplugging too early puts you at risk of corrupting the file or damaging either the USB or the unit itself. Now plug the USB into your computer or laptop. Open the folder containing the data report of your fridge's temperature as a PDF. When opening the file, you'll be greeted with your maximum and minimum temperatures since you last checked, located here and here. You can scroll down to see a temperature history graph for an easy visual of your fridge's performance. Below the graph, you can find the time and temperature recorded every 5 minutes, helping you pinpoint any issues. The report also indicates any power outages during your last check and their duration. Once you're finished, you can save the report for future reference. Just remember to eject the USB before removing it from your computer. And there you have it. By simply inserting a USB and following a few easy steps, you can effortlessly check your fridge's temperature history. Thank you for choosing Vacc-Safe and have a great day.